Hi everyone, this is Elena and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to knit a ripple design on both single and double bed. What you can see on the screen right now are two garments that I made using this technique that you will learn in this video. One of them is one piece from my graduate collection and the other one was the outfit that I made for myself in the night when I showed my graduate collection. And you can see here how I use both sides of the design and I combine them to get a different effect. I had an idea that I would really like to try on this channel, and that is to involve you in my videos. How we can do that is if you message me on Instagram an image with a stitch that you saw maybe on a catwalk garment or in a book that you're not really sure how to do, you can challenge me to try to develop that and to make a video for it. That could be really fun, so please check my description down below. There's a link with my Instagram, and please have mercy, don't give me too complicated stitches, but also I do like a challenge, so I would like to do that maybe once a month. We will see how it goes, but let me know what you think. To create a ripple or a texture onto our fabric, we can do that by picking up the purl bar from the stitches from the rows that we knitted before and put them back onto the needles. For example, I am picking up the stitches from the 4th row. You can kind of see which stitch I picked up previously and pick up from the same row every time, but don't worry, this might take a few tries until you get it right. You can adjust this technique however you want. You can choose to pick up a few stitches and then leave some, and then you can alternate that for the next row, or you can pick up stitches from different rows. Have a play and see what you can create. If you do give this a try, I would love to see, so please don't hesitate to tag me or message me on Instagram or Facebook. To make your life a little bit easier, you can knit the row that you want to pick up stitches from in a different color. After you knitted this one row, in order to put the carriage back to the other side and not need to break your yarn, you can press both partial cams and move the carriage across without knitting. Then put back your main color and gently press on any other cam to release the partial cams and knit again. I will knit 4 rows in blue and then I will pick up the purl bar from the row in red. And this is how your sample will look. You can see the red a little bit, but that can just be a design feature if it's not bothering you too much. These are the 2 ripples I created before, the one where I picked up the 4th stitch, and then for the larger one I picked up the 6th stitch. I will show you now how you can create a more irregular effect. So here I picked up a few stitches from the 4th row, and now I will knit 1 row. I will again pick up the next 2 stitches also from the 4th row, and then knit another row. With every row I am moving 2 stitches to the right, and you can see already how the ripple is warped. Just make sure you are always picking up stitches from the same row. I'm going to start from the other side, a new ripple, and then with every row I will move 2 stitches to the left or to the right, and they will eventually meet up. I'm just having a play here, picking up 2 stitches and then sometimes more than that. It is all entirely up to you, just have a play and see what you can create. If you do have a double bed, it will be very easy for you to create ripples. All you have to do is to put the 2 cams onto your ribber carriage into PR position and knit rows on front bed only. I will knit here 4 rows on main bed only, then I will put the cams back into knitting position and knit 2 rows all needles. If you want to create some texture stripes, you can knit the rows on main bed only in one color and then knit the rows on all needles in a different color. Another design idea you can try out is to have a mock rib. So here I have 4 needles in action and 1 needle out of action across, and I will do the same. I will knit 4 rows on main bed only and then 2 rows all needles. You can have a play and do more transfer in between and then create a nice pattern. There are just so many options. Here is the final sample. For the bottom part I did 4 rows on main bed only and then 2 rows all needles. For the top part I did 6 rows on main bed only and then 4 or 2 rows in between. This is all for you to try out and have a play. Have a play with the tension, as if the tension is too tight you might not be able to knit as many rows on main bed only. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more future videos and I will see you next time. Bye!